This dashcam footage captures an important reminder about how weather conditions can affect driving stability. As strong side winds sweep across the open road, the moving vehicle begins to lose balance due to increased wind pressure. When a car is traveling at higher speed during such conditions, even a slight gust can reduce traction and cause the vehicle to slip off its intended path. Situations like this highlight why drivers should always slow down during sudden storms or unexpected wind bursts. Maintaining a firm grip on the steering wheel and keeping a safe speed can greatly improve control. This scene demonstrates how unpredictable nature can be and why staying alert is essential. It also shows the importance of adjusting our driving habits based on road and weather conditions to ensure everyone's safety. This footage highlights the importance of proper supervision and clear communication during vehicle reversing. As the truck begins to move backward, a small child is standing behind it, unaware of the potential danger, as young children often don't understand vehicle movements. The person guiding the reverse also fails to notice the child, which creates a serious safety risk. Situations like this show why a proper walk-around check and visual confirmation are essential before any large vehicle moves. Drivers should never rely solely on verbal instructions and must use mirrors and cameras when available. This scene reminds us that children should always be kept at a safe distance from moving vehicles. It also encourages adults to stay attentive and follow strict safety steps to prevent such incidents. This scene highlights how quickly things can go wrong when a vehicle loses control on a sharp turn. As the vehicle slips due to high speed, it unexpectedly moves into the oncoming lane. At the same moment, a motorcycle appears from the opposite direction, leading to a sudden and forceful impact. Situations like this remind us why reducing speed before a curve is essential for everyone's safety. Proper lane discipline and controlled steering can prevent unexpected movements during turns. This footage also shows how important it is for all road users to stay alert, especially in areas with limited visibility. Learning from moments like these helps us understand the value of safe driving practices on busy roads. This footage shows why careful road awareness is so important, especially for families with young children. As a family crosses the road, one child stays slightly behind and becomes separated from the group. Wanting to reach them quickly, the child suddenly runs forward without checking for traffic. At the same time, a fast-approaching car enters the frame, creating a dangerous situation. This moment highlights the importance of holding children's hands while crossing and teaching them to look both ways before stepping onto the road. Drivers should also stay alert near pedestrian areas as children can make sudden movements. Scenes like this remind us that a few seconds of attention can prevent serious risks and keep everyone safe. This footage shows how unpredictable moments on the road can be, even when people are not directly in traffic. A family is resting safely outside the road area when a small vehicle suddenly loses balance and veers off its path. This scene highlights the importance of drivers maintaining full control of their vehicles at all times, especially in areas where families or pedestrians may be nearby. It also reminds us that staying alert and creating a safe distance from the roadway is essential, even when we believe we are out of harm's way. Learning from moments like these helps promote safer behavior for both drivers and pedestrians. This footage highlights how quickly situations can become risky on narrow roads. Two individuals are pushing a broken motorcycle forward when a heavy truck approaches from the opposite side. In a surprising moment, the person at the back pushes the one in front toward the truck's path, possibly due to personal conflict or misunderstanding. Thankfully, the individual manages to move away in time, avoiding a serious situation, although the motorcycle gets damaged.